Let's see how you can easily unlock the potential of your videos and make your content stand out with the incredible 4K resolution CapCut offers. This works on both iPhone and Android devices, and the first step that we will do is to open our App Store if we are on our iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you are an Android user. You'll want to search for CapCut in here and check if your app is updated and if you have the latest version of CapCut installed on your device. This is a pretty important step because the 4K quality is a new feature that they offer. So if you see an update button like I'm seeing right here, just tap on it and wait a couple of minutes until CapCut updates to the latest version. Once the app updates, you want to open it, and then I'm gonna open an existing project that I have. You can create a new project and edit it just like you regularly do, but for the purpose of this tutorial I'm gonna open my edited YouTube video. In order to get the 4K quality, which is a 4 times higher resolution than Full HD, or 1080p, you want to select the resolution option right next to the export button. And that's gonna open our export menu. You just want to drag the slider to this 2K/4K option, and then you can select your frame rate and bit rate. The last step is to tap on the export button, or this little arrow, and wait for CapCut to save the video to your photo gallery. Keep in mind that the 4K quality has a much bigger resolution and looks better than 1080p, or Full HD. But because of this, the file size is going to be much larger. So make sure you have enough storage for your 4K exports from CapCut. And if you do not see the 4K option even though you've updated the app, then that means that the feature is still not available for your region. They roll out some features for some regions at first, and for some regions at a later time. So if the option isn't there, simply wait a couple more weeks and make sure you regularly update CapCut. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more CapCut and similar tutorials in the future. See you soon!